This is Panama Pathfinders, and we just bought 3 quetzals. There's Mommy. You see Mommy? Oh, there's Daddy. You see Daddy over there? Beautiful. Wow. Amazing. And there's baby quetzal. Look at baby quetzal. Beautiful. Now, if we count all the quetzals that we've seen today, how many quetzals we've seen today, guys?
About 8 or 10.
Less than that. I'll say like 7. 7. About 7. That's cool. And
So new.
this is amazing. We're looking at a family of quetzals right now. Super cool. Just took off. It's over there. I guess we call this one more day at the office. See you on the next vlog.